us has never got to it. I don't want to spend that kind of money. It's not worth it to me.
Houston, where the blues echo. Purple drink came on, a drunken melody. Codeine mixed with promethazine. In the dance, rappers declaim. And the story that progresses with the death of the master. The debate begins. Lethal codeine, measured at its conjure. Houston stands up against drug excess. Limits imposed in the dance that drowns. From the 90s to the 2000s, it spread across the states. Rap and hip-hop culture intertwines into temporary trap. The legacy persists. Purple drink resists on the beat that assists. DJ Screw, Big Hawk, and others on the list. In the lyrics, the drug persists, the message persists. Juice WRLD, Lil Wayne, artists who flirt with purple drink, the culture that asserts.